If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to your Google Pixel 11 or from Google Pixel 11 to your flash drive, once you connect your flash drive to your phone, you can open the Files app over here. And once you go to the Files app, then of course you can find your categories in here. But instead of using these categories, you want to actually open the internal storage if you want to transfer from your phone to the flash drive. And if you want to transfer from the flash drive to your phone, then of course you want to go to the USB flash drive storage first. And the reason why you don't want to use categories is simply because, unfortunately, by using categories, we cannot transfer files to another storage. So if I, let's say, choose this file over here, and if I try to move it, then I don't have the option to choose anything else other than the internal storage. So this is why we are forced to use the internal storage over here. And this means that we have to locate our files. If you are not sure where you can find your files, usually you can just use these categories and open them. And if you go to the file info, then here we can find the location. So you can see, starting from the 0 folder, you can see where you can find your files. So let's open the internal storage again. Let's choose something as an example. Let's say I'm going to go to this DCIM folder and to the camera. And over here I have a couple of files that, let's say, I want to transfer to my flash drive. I can press and hold my finger to select the first file, and then of course I can select more files. And once I select everything that I want to transfer to the flash drive, then I can use these 3 dots in the upper right corner, and then I can choose Move To. And over here I can choose to move to the flash drive. In my case it is trans memory over here. And then we need to decide where exactly we want to paste these files. Maybe not paste, but transfer. So let's say I'm going to choose this DCIM folder over here and tap Move Here. And of course, once it is done, you can, let's say, open the storage of your flash drive, and then you should be able to find your files exactly where you decided to transfer them. And in case you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, it looks pretty much the same way, but of course, we start by going to the USB flash drive storage, then you locate your files, select them just like before, and tap on these 3 dots, choose Move To, and then you can choose the internal storage, and you can decide exactly where those files should be placed. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.